All right, guys, welcome. I wanted to show you kind of the process of creating an online course. So maybe this will be helpful if you're interested in taking the course, but also if you're interested in creating any kind of content for your patients or for anybody else that might benefit from course content. Specifically, I would say the kind of course content that I think is beneficial for us as physicians to create is maybe something where you're selling a small mini course either for free or you're selling it directly to the patient. Maybe you're doing kind of a group thing where a group of people will go through your course, and then based on that, if they're interested, they might then want to hire you as a one-on-one coach or consultant for their specific medical condition. So this is the Kajabi app. I've used other platforms to create courses. Let me go ahead and save it here, but it's pretty straightforward. So if I go to my course, then you can see that this is the course that I have. It's called Zero to Hero, 8 Weeks in Launching Your Virtual Medical Practice. And inside it, I have all the different sections that people will take. There will be live sessions. So somebody maybe once or twice a week is going to log into the live session if their time matches with my time, and they're going to ask live Q&A questions. Then I record those Q&A questions and I send it to the people who are enrolled. And here's the course outline, right? So I got introduction to the DocDigital course. We got week 1, the business structure. We got everything legal in week 2. We got week 3, patient care, building the website, technology, marketing, competition, troubleshooting, and bonus. So for example, right now I'm working in week 1, so I can open up the different modules. Here I can add either submodules or actual lessons. So each one of these here is a lesson. So developing the business, creating a simple business plan. So for example, if I was actually just working on hiring staff. So if I click on it, you can see here that I have the video. I don't know if it'll play if I play on it. So let's just leave it alone. But here's the actual video. It's not that long, 3 minutes, but the meat, the juice, the meat is the video, the juice is all of this. So all of the written content, how to hire a virtual assistant, the done for yous, and all of the other links that I include in here, all the resources, right? That's, I think, what makes an online course powerful. It's all the extra information, all the things behind the scenes that you did. And then I can select an image here to kind of make the course appear better. So here I can look at a preview. Okay, what is a course going to look like? So that's going to be the client experience, right? When they come in, this is going to be week 1. They're going to see all the different modules. They're going to say, okay, hiring staff for your virtual practice. This is what I'm about to learn. Here, always, I think it's very critical to constantly brand yourself, right? To say, okay, Dr. Mo, digital nomad physician. Here's what it's going to look like. And then as you scroll down, here's all the information that's going to be there. I really love that with a deeper dive. I got that idea from another person, Lane Sebring, really great the way he creates his content. And then here is a download for a checklist to hire your first virtual assistant or medical assistant. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. I really like this concept of creating courses like this. So of course I have to go through each one of these. I have a bunch of notes that I took. I created the outline. I'm now doing the marketing and advertising. It's kind of fun. It's kind of exciting, but it's also quite a lot of work. In fact, man, I thought I would get through this way faster, but this piece of sitting and going through each one of these and adding all of the resources and content is taking a lot longer. I have a document, a Google document sheet that I'm working off of. So I go into each one of these, for example, funding the business capital. So here, there's nothing here, NOLO, that's all I have. So I got to write all of that content still. And I like writing the content, and writing that content helps me kind of research stuff. But as you can see, like every one of these, everything legal's got a bunch of sections that I got to do. Week 3, the patient care has a bunch of sections that I got to do. We got week 4, building your website, all the different resources. And then I got a week 4 submodule here. I got week 5 technology. I got marketing and the competition, kind of going through all the different sample competition that's out there. It doesn't open right now. And then troubleshooting, right? So that's a little bit about the course. If you're interested, of course, you can go to nomadphysician.com and That's the website. It's actually linked through Kajabi, so it's nice. I already had Nomad Physician. So if you can go to the library or you can go to the store, you can also just log in. But if you go to the store, there should be two things available, the online course. And here's the checkout. Right now, it's selling for 3 payments of $500, so about $1,500. And then hopefully once I finish all of that stuff, it'll be at $2,500. And in the beginning, the first set of people that I'm having go through the course, obviously they only paid $1,000, which is kind of nice because I get to use them as my guinea pigs. Those of you who are enrolled, you're going to be my guinea pigs. I'm going to add some other content, modify some other content, and then every single iteration, I'll make it better and better. And then hopefully one day, maybe when it's like super dialed in, sell it for about $5,000. And obviously that I think is worth it, right? Because the next set of people are going to get so much more information compared to the first set of people, right? The next set of people are going to get a lot more information from the first set of people. So it's just going to be that much more powerful. So guys, that is it. That is Kajabi. Again, lots of different online platforms that you can use to create your courses, but this is just a super simple thing to create some videos, audio, written content, and quizzes that I have on here. Now the quizzes are more like reflections, but I get to use that content as well to kind of go over it on our weekly sessions. That's it for me, guys. Take care.